Hi. So students can often find physics to be a rather difficult topic, and I feel that a large part of that is that it often seems novel and very unattached from their normal lives. So the theme that I would want to go with would be sort of everyday science, and this is the theme that I would want to go throughout the year. And the main part of it is I would want them to do some research-based writing projects on whatever topic we're doing, and the focus of that project would be on something that they choose, something of their own choosing that they've experienced in their everyday lives that they then go and explain using the knowledge they just gained from the unit. So they'd be short writing-based projects that we'd do probably at the end of each unit. Though I haven't come to a definitive stance on that. But so they'd be short writing-based projects where they'd have to research and find a scholarly article to support their claims about it. And they would choose something. So they would choose something. For instance, if they were doing conservation of energy, okay, they could go and take sledding. For instance, if they like to sled or snowboard or something like that, and they would take how high they are on the hill, and then as they go down the hill, they pick up speed, and they would relate the potential and the kinetic energy of that situation, and then draw friction with the snow would cause loss of energy from the system. Or for instance, for conservation of momentum, there would be lots of things you could do, draw from sports, football players tackling each other, that sort of thing. And I think this would be really useful for a number of reasons. One is that they get to choose what they do their project on, which will help keep interest in it, because it's something, it harkens back to sort of self-motivated learning. Once they invest in it and it's something of their own choosing, then they have more of an interest in seeing it to its fruition. And further, I think this would be a great way to integrate writing components into the class, because I know personally when I was going through physics, there wasn't very much writing. I mean, there were lab write-ups, but they weren't. They were mostly worksheets that you would fill out, and so I just feel like this would be a good way to address some of those writing standards that are laid out on the Common Core and New York State standards. So yeah, that is my plan for my thematic theme. Yeah, thank you. Bye bye.